Moving on, in other news, heart disease is the #1 killer in people ages 55 and older, but Nebraskans are battling that statistic. Channel 8 Eyewitness News reporter Pierce Gorlet has more for us. Pierce?
Megan, in the last 18 years, Nebraska has seen the third highest decline in heart disease according to a recent study. But that doesn't mean it's still not a major issue. Throughout the country, there's been a major decline in the rate of heart disease. In Nebraska is no different. A recent study shows the state has seen the third biggest decline in the past 18 years. Heart disease dropped 27% in the state. Dr. Cookman says advancements in technology is one of the reasons why.
There's been huge advances over that period of time, both in the technology that we're using in order to treat patients, but also in the medications that patients take, and then just in the overall health of the patients.
Dr. Cookman credits people as well for taking better care of themselves.
Smoking rates have decreased. Exercise activity, people getting out and moving a little bit more is reducing the risk of heart disease. But I think it's kind of a combination of all of those factors.
But even with the number of heart disease cases dropping, it doesn't mean it's still not a threat. It's still the leading killer for people ages 55 and older.
Heart disease is still the #1 killer. Even though the rates are going down, heart disease is still very prevalent in the population. There are still things that we can continue to do to better our life. And it's always going to be around, but everything that is available now that wasn't available years ago has helped improve outcomes in cardiovascular patients.
And experts have some tips you can try to prevent heart disease.
And it's important to just take investment in your own health, making sure you stay active, making sure you eat a good diet. Those are all things that you can do outside of what we're able to help you with.
Now, if you're interested in the study, you can learn more about it by going to our website, klkntv.com, and click on this story.
Still some great news for Nebraska. Thank you, Pierce, for the story.